Hey guys, welcome back to Delve. Today I'll be showing you how to connect Brave browser to Uphold. So to do this process, we'll show you in simple terms. So first, you could just simply open up a new tab or open up your Brave browser. Now, over here, you will have the diamond icon on the top right on the URL tab. And now, as you can see, you will have here turn on Brave rewards. So select start using Brave rewards. And from here, just simply go select your region. For example, I'm going to go for Thailand and select continue and select done. Now from here, guys, as you can see, you will have the information over here and select connect account on the blue icon over here. And it will redirect you to this tab. And as you can see, you will have custodial accounts, Uphold. Select login or sign up over here. And now from here, you have to grant permission to the Brave. So select allow if there is any pop-up. And now it will redirect you to the connection. As you can see, Brave will be connected with the Uphold. And these are all of the information that are going to be connected. And select authorize if you want to proceed with this process. And of course, guys, you have to just simply provide your email and password over here. And right after that, once you have provided your information, you should be able to receive a code. And of course, you should be able to just simply do the verification and you should be able to connect your browser to Uphold and just simply follow the steps that I showed you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all and see you in the next video.